The P0304 code indicates a misfire detected specifically in cylinder 4. This means that your engine's fourth cylinder isn't burning the air-fuel mixture properly. This is important because a single misfiring cylinder can seriously affect overall engine performance and cause damage if left unattended. The symptoms are obvious. The check engine light will almost always be flashing, which is a warning sign that a misfire is actively occurring. You'll also notice strong engine vibration or shaking, loss of power, and rough idling. If P0304 appears, the good news is that you already know where to focus your diagnosis. Cylinder 4. Start with that cylinder's spark plug. It may be fouled, worn, or have a gap problem. Next, inspect the ignition coil for that cylinder, if your car has individual coils per cylinder. If it's faulty, it won't deliver the proper spark. Also check the fuel injector for cylinder 4. It could be clogged, dirty, or malfunctioning, preventing proper fuel delivery. Don't ignore code P0304. A persistent misfire in a single cylinder can cause serious damage to the catalytic converter due to unburned fuel reaching it, which is a very expensive repair. Additionally, a misfiring cylinder subjects the rest of the engine to excessive vibration and additional stress, reducing its lifespan and efficiency. Address this problem promptly to avoid further expenses.